Welcome to Big Bear Trailers and Outdoor in Oundle, Northamptonshire. Today we've got a review for you on the DEBON PW3.6. This is the biggest three-way powered tipper they do, and the bed is 3.3 metres long by 1.86 metres wide, 3,500 kilograms gross without any options. So this one's got mesh, ramps and prop stands without any options. It's 800 kilograms empty. Apologies, I am videoing this on my own today, so apologies for the wind noise, but if we just take a quick walk around, you'll see this is on 13-inch rims rather than some of the other models which are 14s. This has the ramp tray down the bottom here, so you can see the ramps are tucked into there, spare wheel also tucked away in there, and the drop sides are on self-aligning hinges, so we can just undo these latches, which are really nice and solid and robust. That just hinges down, and as you can see, self-aligning hinges there, so really quite easy. The mesh sides then, whether it be on the rear or the two sides, they clip in at the top and pivot from here, and then also clip in down here, and then at the base here you can see they've got tabs so that when the drop sides come up they sit inside there. So if you wanted to, you could just open it like that, flip it over to give yourself better access, or alternative, if you were rear tipping, you'll see that this obviously just pivots out, so you can see rather than having to take it off, it will just pivot out while it tips. So what I'm going to do is just clip that back in again. As you can see, it just drops into there, and then as the drop sides come back up again, that just holds everything in place. What I'm going to do is just quickly demonstrate the tipping. At the moment this is set to side tip. I'm not going to take them all the way up because of the time to do it, but just to show you, it has got a wired remote control just down here. Also out of interest is some charge points just down there that you can just see, and then if we go, you can see at the moment that's set to side tip. Switch is going down there, you can see the battery and the mechanism, and the ramps are sitting there as well. What I will do is just bring that down again. So we were side tipping, the bed's now come down. If we wanted to move to rear tipping, all we have to do is come to one of the pins, pull the retainer out, turn it upside down and extract that. I'm going to bring it to the rear near side because we've already got the offside rear pin in place, and all I need to do is pop that one upside down, spin it over, pop the retainer in so it can't pop out again. Now we're ready to move to rear tip. So it really is nothing more than a 2-minute job to go from side tip to rear tip. I'm not going to take it all the way up, but just so you can see, that's now in rear tip mode. It's just using those pivot points with the same ram and mechanism to drive that up. So if I come to the side, you can see a little bit more. It will obviously go much higher because this particular ram's got 4 elements to it, so you'll see in the photos how high it can go up. But I just wanted to show how easy it is to switch from rear to side tip. Side tip to rear tip. My name's Ian from Big Bear Trailers in Oundle, Northamptonshire. We will get a better video over for you, but in the interim, if we can help at all, our number here 01832 770 888. Thanks very much. Bye now.